এতিয়া আদানডেলি কৰ্ণাটকা বহুত দেৰি হৈ গ'ল ব্লগ কৰোঁতে ছাৰৰ লগত খাই আছোঁ আমি খাইছিলোঁ বিৰিয়ানী
Officer, Government Timber Depot, Dandeli. He is Noor Ahmad Al Nadaf, Range Forest Officer, Dandeli Range, Dandeli. So first, on behalf of Karnataka Forest Department and on behalf of my conservator Kendra Circle and my DCF Haryal Division, I welcome all of you and I welcome your director sir also, Sahu sir also. So once again I welcome to the Haryal Division. Haryal Subdivision, Dandeli Subdivision and Jagalpet Subdivision are the hotspot of the biodiversity. So here you stood here, you are in the middle of the Western Ghats. So all the economical viable species, whatever you I think you learnt about all the species in your training. Economical viable species are available in this forest. From teak, sisam, Terminalia alerta, Terminalia colloculata, Javier zalapalpa. Even the endemic species, Eugenia eugenesis, the Karimuttal, it is endemic to only this area. Eugenia eugenesis. Earlier it is called as Eugenia dalbergidis. Earlier it was called as Eugenia dalbergidis. Now it is called as Eugenia eugenesis. It is only endemic to this patch only. It's also every year our Haryal division will give minimum 100 to 120 crores of revenue to our Karnataka government. Entire Kendra circle will give 400 to 500 crores of revenue to the Karnataka Forest Department. Now,
Government Timber Depot. When we take the brief history of this JTD, that is Government Timber Depot, it was first started in 1917. The primary aim of this depot to start by Britishers was to supply wood for their First World War and also subsequently Second World War. And at that time, annually about 7,000 to 8,000 cubic meter wood was supplied from here, especially teak. And the area where we are studying now, it is the part of Western Ghats and it is the hot spot of teak. The variety of teak what we are getting in this area, it is known for its texture, color and grain. When we see for the comparison, if the teak in Maharashtra somewhere in Samantwadi, if it is costing about 3,500 all, here the cost of teak would has reached up to 9,000 per cubic feet. Because it is very good, it is friendly for furniture making. It is to this sawmill so that the cut furnitures can be supplied to the World War. And coming after in 1980s, as we all know, the Forest Conservation Act was applied. After Forest Conservation Act, there was ban for green filling. Now the existing, only we are extracting from the approved working plan, that to dead, disease and fallen. As you all know that there is Supreme Court stating that there is no green filling. And currently there is no green filling anywhere in India also. And when you come extraction, as sir told us that in our Dandeli division, there are 9 ranges. These 9 ranges have the working plan for the period of 10 years. In India, which are 2 important commercial species? Commercial important timber species. Take any 2, first 2, which has good weight, which has good Soria robusta. Yes.
Tectona grandis.
Yes.
Soria robusta.
Southern part teak, northern part Soria. Okay, fine. Next. Dalbergy rosewood. This is it.
त्याच्यानंतर पण अलाउड नाही त्याच्यानंतरच अलाउड नाही
Somna Dunia Mandi. This is the procedure. Prayer of the forest. Oh, এইটো মই আৰু ক'বত দেখিছিলোঁ। মাউণ্ট আবুত দেখিছিলোঁ এইটো প্ৰেয়াৰ অফ দ্য ফৰেষ্ট। এই যে আমি যে গৈছিলোঁ যে এই নদী এটা পাহাৰ তাত দেখিছিলোঁ। Sir, this Dalbarazia latifolia.
नॉर्मल नेम बताओ क्या है?
शिशु इज आपका शिशु, आपका शिशु। हाँ,
दलबर्जी शिशु ही है, बट शीशम है।
Sisam. ये latifolia sir.
दोनों अलग अलग है।
दिस इज
This is
नो 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 Ficus है, Ficus Mysoreansis, Goni, that is in this. Yeah, only that much.
नाम भूल गई मैं। क्या है ये?
पता है नहीं, मुझे कौन बिलो दिखो।
हॉर्नबिल।
हाँ, that Malabar pipe. Lot of
सर वहाँ
तुम इसको दिखाओ मेरे को।
नहीं और नहीं होता है सर।
वाह सर। लेकिन मैं स्पेक्स नहीं रहा है ना, मेरे को दिखना होगा तो इसको देखना।
घूमना चाहिए सर, अच्छा आएगा वो।
अभी मोर स्पीशीज बोला है ना। ये सर पाइड है, बाकी ग्रे भी देखिए सर। ग्रे हॉर्नबिल भी बोल रहे हैं। हाँ, ग्रे कलर भी है, मतलब ग्रे हॉर्नबिल भी देखिए। इसका अच्छा आ रहा है, बहुत अच्छा है।
काली टाइगर रिजर्व दांडेली।
Wildlife Research Institute of Kali Tiger Reserve. On behalf of Director Kali Tiger Reserve, I welcome your Director sir and all of you also. So I will introduce the
owing to the importance of Kali River which flows across this landscape. And Kali Tiger Reserve is spread over 1,400 square kilometers. It consists of Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary and Anchi National Park, two protected areas. And you can see the map there. And this tiger reserve is surrounded by
own wildlife forensic unit as it is established here, so it is operating in the field. Like as human usually go with the forensic team, you all know that recently some Dharmasthala case is going on all over India. Forensic team is visiting and excavating.
It's a fight only, sir. It's Malabar fight only.
On behalf of Telangana State Forest Academy, our Director Ma'am, Course Director Sir, and our accompanying officer Sam Sir, and the whole batch of FRO trainee, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to
তাকে
আজিৰ প্ৰগ্ৰেম মানে সেই আৰু দিল্লী একাডেমিতে প্ৰগ্ৰেম আছে। পৰহি ডাইৰেক্ট তেলেংগানা।
ಆರಾಮಿದೆ? ಏನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
Karnataka Forest Academy. Administrative buildings again. এনেকে চাই আছো ন আৰু ইয়াত থাকি হ'ব পাৰে অফিচাৰ্ছ মেছ এইখন মেছ হয়